Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. In this channel I talk about mushroom and I do a little of movies, so I also post movies. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the black spots you see in your mushroom bag. If you have started, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you see it, and most times if you know what you are doing, you will not see it. Please, this is a question somebody dropped in the comment section that I should treat it. If you have a question, you can also drop in the comment section and I will make a video about it. There's something harmful some people do when they watch my videos. They don't watch to the end. Some information are also at the end of the video. You don't get your information half-baked. So always watch the video to the end so that you understand what I'm really talking about. Okay? That's by the way. So let's dive into the real matter. So there is this infection, contamination rather, that is always affects mushroom bag. That's the substrate. If you are into mushroom and you have started growing, sometimes you might experience it. You see some black spots inside the bag. Gradually, that black spot will take over the bag. You won't be seeing any mushroom seed again, and even if the mushroom comes out, it won't last and it will just fade away. So what is actually the problem? There is a root cause of this particular contamination, and that's why I'm here to treat it. It is nothing but the way you handle your substrate. Remember, your substrate is the straw or the sawdust you put in your bag, and then you put your mushroom seed, which is the spawn. So how do you handle it that will make it turn out black or continue in the right way? It depends on you. That's the knowledge you're about to hear now. So in your substrate, when it is too much wet, normally the substrate is supposed to be humid. It's not supposed to be dry. It's not supposed to be watery. Just a normal wet substrate is what you need. Now, let me teach you how you can do this, your substrate. If you are using sawdust and you are using the method that you need to use your spawn to make round, like half segments. Remember I talked about it, having segments. You open in different places and get more yield. If you are doing that method, see what you will do. Maybe I'll see post a picture so that you know what I'm talking about. That segment. To prepare your substrate, when you finish parboiling it and then you sterilize it, you put it in a bag. Though the video I'm going to post next is going to talk more about this. So when you sterilize it, you put it in a bag that will make it sieve out the water. When you will know that your substrate is ready, don't miss this part. When you know that your substrate is ready, is when you take that sawdust, definitely with your hand glove. When you take that sawdust that you have cooked well, sterilized, when you press it very hard. If you still see water dropping, that substrate is not ready. It still needs to be left to be drained. Do you follow me? When you get some quantity of the substrate, that's the sawdust, and press it, if water still drops from it, that means it is not ready. But when you collect it and you press it so hard and there's no water coming out, your substrate is ready. Do you get it? So when it's dropping, that means it's still going to waterlog inside the liner, and that contamination will come, because the contamination, the water there is helping it to grow more. But when it's just humid, mushroom will enjoy that environment. Mushroom will enjoy that bag. So another thing is how you handle it, the environment you handle it. What are you exposing your substrates to? The containers, the materials you use to prepare your substrates, how are you handling it? This is another factor that will make your contamination enter your bags. the materials you use matters a lot. And the most importantly is the bag not being waterlogged. Once it is waterlogged, there's every tendency that the substrate is going to be contaminated, and by so doing we are not going to get more yield from your substrate. So adding water to your substrate or preparing it goes a long way to affect it. So in the next video I'm going to talk about it's going to be an illustration on how to prepare a substrate in where you will have ring method. What I mean by ring method, the ones I told you that you can germinate from different places. Then I will show you how to prepare substrates for the one that just germinate on top. Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures from in the screen. You understand? So just wait for that video. That video is going to drop anytime next week. I'm going to drop that video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not done so. I appreciate you. I appreciate those that have subscribed. I appreciate everyone that is following this channel. More good things are coming. If you have any question about mushroom, just ask me in comment section and I will make a video about it and teach you more. If it is something, I'll just contact you directly. I'll contact you directly or ask you to contact me. Okay, I am here for you on this topic. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you next week for that particular video. It's going to be an illustration on how to do substrates. Okay, and I know you're going to be blessed with that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.